I'd like to explain this concept a little bit further. Here we are. Definite and indefinite articles. There are four words in Spanish that mean the. El, la, singular, and then plural. Masculine is los and feminine is las. The words the in English and el, la, los, las in Spanish are referred to as the definite articles. There are four of them. Okay, the word the goes before a noun and refers to a specific person, place, or thing, or concept. The house, right? Those kids or the kids. In Spanish, nouns have gender, as we've talked about. They're either masculine or feminine. So notice how a singular plural we already looked at, and now we're looking at masculine, feminine. So you have a division again. So el chico is masculine, la chica is feminine. All nouns are put into these categories even if there's no clear logical reasoning for the category. I'll explain. Here we have la corbata, which means tie, and that word itself is feminine. No reasoning. Usually is men that wear ties, but um, there's no reasoning for it. Here, next word, el vestido, is dress. There's a typo. It's supposed to be the dress. And that word is masculine. No reasoning again. Okay, Y is el dia, which means day, like buenos dias, right? Masculine. And la noche, feminine. We've talked about this before. That is kind of weird, right? But often, but not always, the final vowel in the noun tells which direct article to use. So if you look at the final vowel, you'll be able to decide. Nouns ending in o, like sombrero, are usually masculine and take the definite article el. Here you have several masculine singular nouns. They all start with L and they end in O. Nouns ending in A, like camiseta, are usually feminine and take the definite article la. Remember, these mean the. So all here are some examples of feminine singular nouns. They all mean the before. The girl, the shirt, the blouse, the jacket, the t-shirt, the friend, the ma'am, the lady, I guess, the house, the door, the window, the computer. So nouns ending in e like hombre or a consonant like mujer can be either masculine or feminine, and they have to be learned individually. So here are some examples. If you know the word, you'll know that la mujer is a woman, so therefore it has to be feminine. If you know, we've learned the word hombre is man, and that has to be masculine. Some words you know and you'll learn, other words you won't. La madre is the mother, so that's feminine. All words in Spanish that end in sion, S-I-O-N, población, televisión, canción, there's a lot with C-I-O-N or S-I-O-N. Those are all feminine. They're all la. So nouns also show number, as in singular plural. The door becomes la puerta, and the doors becomes las puertas. The noun ends in s, the article changes to the plural as well. So here I'd like you to look and try to figure out what the plural form is of these words. So el perro becomes los perros. Both words change. El zapato, the shoe, becomes los zapatos. El amigo, the friend, becomes los amigos. For these, they're feminine. Now you need to make them plural. So la casa becomes las casas, the houses. La blusa becomes las blusas, the blouses. La chica becomes las chicas, the girls. So now you need to decide which direct or definite article goes in front of the noun. So we have amigo, it's masculine and singular. So if you were to look at the chart, there you would see masculine singular is el amigo. Casa is feminine singular, la casa. This one is feminine and plural. So that would just be the other side, which is las casas. Notice they both kind of agree, right? Okay, and this word, familia, is singular, ends in an A. Okay, it would be feminine, la familia. Zapatos, we saw this one before, becomes los zapatos. El hombre, you know, is a man, the man, sorry. El hombre. Hombres, make it plural, becomes los hombres. Señor, el señor. Señoritas, notice it's feminine and plural, becomes las señoritas. Estudiante, this word is a student and it can mean both genders. It can be used for male, feminine, both genders. So here you could either have singular, right? El or la estudiante. The article decides the gender. Okay, if it's plural, you could either be los or las. So in addition, there are 4 words in Spanish that mean a or an if singular and some if plural. They are referred to as the indefinite articles. They fall onto the same chart as definite articles. So singular masculine, you have un. Singular feminine is una. Plural masculine, unos. Plural feminine, unas. Just notice there is a little change to make it plural, just like definite articles. The word a always precedes a noun and refers to non-specific person, place, thing, or concept. Non-specific. So un chico, a boy, is masculine. Unos chicos is masculine plural. A girl, una chica, is feminine. Some girls, unas chicas, is feminine plural. Note again that in English, the plural indefinite article means some. So unas chicas, you can't say girls. Instead, you say some girls. These are all masculine singular with the indefinite article. These are all feminine singular, again with the indefinite article. And this is a combination of both. It helps for these to know what the word is. Remember what I said before is if you know the vocabulary, it helps. So mujer in this case is female, but you're just saying you're not saying the woman. So in this case, televisión is feminine, remember, and it's una, right, for a window. Okay, so what is the plural form of these words? They're all using the indefinite articles, and you have to make them plural. So un perro becomes unos perros. Un zapato becomes unos zapatos. Un amigo becomes unos amigos, which is directly to the other side of the chart. Make these words plural again, but now they're feminine and they're still using the indefinite articles. Una casa becomes unas casas. Una blusa becomes unas blusas. Some shirts or some blouses. Una chica, a girl, turns into unas chicas, which is some girls. Here again, practice with the indefinite, figuring out which article you need to match. It would be un amigo, a friend. Okay, this again, un hermano, singular, right? Singular masculine. Perro becomes un perro, with the article in front. Suéter is the word for sweater, and it's masculine, becomes un suéter. Okay, now we have the plural, unos suéteres. Un chico, unas chicas, and that's it.